You chasing him? You gotta go a lot faster. Woo-hoo. Beautiful. Huh. Toronto. What did the guy take? Are you a cop with him too, or? Hey, what did he take? What did he take?
He took some $99.
Ready? Let's go home. You gotta smile, baby. You gotta smile. All right. Hold my arm so you don't fall down again. That's a good way of getting girls to hold your arm, isn't it? It's a good trick. All right. Are we ourselves? Oh, man. I hope the microphone was working. I had wrapped myself around too many. All right, so which way? This way? We're at King Station. Yeah, let's use the, woohoo! Wow, feels so good when you're doing a downhill skiing. So where are we? Got a machine here. Got my. Do you have a thing? Go ahead. Beautiful. All right, I think that's the one we want on that side. Take me to the other side. Mama said days like this. She works a lot of days. A little bit of construction here. I wonder what's going to happen here. They're probably putting another store. And wow, my fingers are cold. Don't hold on to your phone while you're going down the stairs. It's good to have your hands free when you're going down the stairs. I think so. I just took a gamble. I think it's the right lane, isn't it? Yeah, it's wow, look at this, how busy it is. You good? Are you feeling all right? Let's go at the end. Let's go. Come with me. Have you ever said you like that? Mama said I knew it. 1 minute for the train to arrive. And the time check is 7:16. I just saw it upstairs. Do I need to pull out my phone? Why not? 7:16, see? How cold is it? -5 degrees. And it feels like -9. Okay, Anna, give me a pose. All right, then here comes the train. Say, here comes the train. Say loud in my microphone.
Here comes the train.
No, say loud, they can't hear you. Hold on. Here, say it.
Here comes the train.
Wow, there you go. You're gonna have your own mic. You're the only girl that, yeah, I gotta buy your own mic. You're the only person who needs their own mic because nobody can hear you. All right, let's go. Let's go to this one.
Line 1, Fort Finch.
Go ahead. Beautiful.
506. 506. 506.
Please stand clear of the door.
All right, so we're gonna head up to Young and Bloor. You good? Do you want me to hold that? No. What is this? Oh my God. Is it your birthday? Oh man, it's gonna fall in there. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday. Do you want a whole place to sing to you? You can pretend it's your birthday. You can pretend it's your birthday. Huh? Every day is your birthday? I don't even know. I forgot what your birthday again. I said, happy birthday at some point. At some point. My birthday is January 1st. January 1st. Birthday is January 1st. I love it. It's the first day of the year is my birthday. Have a seat, have a seat.
stand clear of the door.
All right, check it out. By the way, my birthday isn't in January. Just having a good time with the people in the subway. Eastern Center. Ooh, finally, we're moving. Check it out. Queen Street.
Next station is
Dundas.
Dundas Station.
I'm an expert. I'm an expert. Yeah. Hold on to this. Beautiful.
You get enough with me?
Hmm?
You get enough with me?
Arriving at
I'll walk you home.
Dundas.
I'll make sure. I'm gonna walk you home. Make sure she'll get okay.
Will open on the right.
Make sure nobody, make sure you don't fall again. Maybe you should get a cane or something. Wow, look at this.
And one finish. Next station is College Station. Line 1 finish. Stand clear of the door. Next station is Wellesley Station.
I went there and just
It's good. No? You don't like? You don't like? Why? Cream. It's good. Put it in the tea. Let me show her what you got. Look what she got. This good? This good? I like this though. How about this? This is my shopping. Do you think it's gonna work? Do you even know what it is? You didn't even ask me what it is.
I know what it is.
Making tea.
I know what
Blue or Young.
All right, let's
Blue or
go.
Young Station. Change here for line 2.
Line 2.
Doors will open on the right.
All right. Mama tell me there be days like that. I cannot know that. All right, here we go. All right, Young Blower. Oh, you came with me, right? So Young Blower, we're gonna go downstairs. We're gonna get onto westbound, and we're gonna drop you off at Bay, right? That's where I picked you up, right? At Bay, that's right. You wanna walk here? Oh. Good, good, good. It's even better. We're gonna walk here. Which store? Oh no, Anna, that's it. I'm breaking up with you. That's it. Done. We're done. Anna, we're breaking up. Okay, see you. It's been nice knowing you. I can't handle this. I'm breaking up with you. That's it. We're breaking up on live. I'm done. I just can't handle this. I can't. Are you sure you want to get out here? All right. All right. Young and Bloor. Here it is. Check it out. Beautiful station. That guy's got GoFundMe. He's got a GoFundMe happening. Nice to have a GoFundMe advertising. Everybody does GoFundMe whenever they want to do something. Here it is. Quick look around this station, making sure everybody's behaving. All right, let's go before the next train arrives. We're going to exit this station here and walk a little bit on Bloor Street, right? I'm not going to tell the audience where we're going to go. I'm not going to tell them where we're going. I'm not gonna tell him where we're going. We're just gonna exit the station and just walk around. And after that, I'm breaking up with you. You okay? It's okay. It's okay. You'll find somebody. All right, let's go. Use the VIP. Oh my God! Look, you gotta use the VIP. Okay, which way is the exit here? All right, yeah. Quick look at the overview of the. Look at the ceilings here. Craziness. Quick. Oh, sorry. Oh my God. She almost fell on top of me. Oh. All right. All right, there you go. Thank you. All right, let's go. Which way? This way? Which way are you taking me, Anna? Another closed malls. Everything we went to today was closed. We walked around. It's ridiculous. It looks downtown Toronto. It's like what, 7 o'clock, 7:30, and everything is closed. Ridiculous. Woohoo! You chasing him? You got to go a lot faster. Woohoo! Beautiful. Huh. Toronto. What did the guy take? Are you a cop with him too, or? Hey, what did he take? What did he take?
He took some, that's $99.
How much?
$99.
What was it?
You returned the 2 boxes and the other one.
It's Shoppers Drug Mart. Oh, there. All right. Thanks for watching. Good luck, guys. Next time, be careful. All right. That was exciting. We caught a shoplifter. Anyway, thanks for watching. We're going to go shop some more with Anna. Appreciate you hanging out. We're going to catch you in the next film.